What's the meaning of conferencing? Conferencing. Conferencing.
Conferencing. Conferencing. Conferencing refers to the act of conducting a meeting or discussion among two or more individuals in different locations using technology for communication. This technology can include video, audio, and other collaboration tools that allow participants to interact with each other in real time. The result of conferencing is that people can communicate and collaborate easily without the need to be physically present in the same location. Conferencing has become increasingly popular due to its convenience and cost-effectiveness, as well as its ability to connect individuals from all over the world.